Hi guys, this is Vikram and today I'm here with the two new effects that you can use in the Kinemaster app in just 2 minutes. These effects look so cool, but they can be done in just 2 minutes using Kinemaster. So don't skip the video and watch it till the end. Now for this material I have given a link in the description so you can click and download it. After downloading it, just import it into your project and now import your logo. If you have logo in this rectangular shape, we need to make it circle. So that we use cropping. Just enable the mask and choose the shape to circle and make it a good circle, and then drag your logo into the circle. And after perfectly placing, click on OK. Now you can resize it and place it near the subscribe area. And make sure that the subscribe text does not touch your logo. Let's see a preview. It looks good. Now let's extend the logo to the end of the project. It's looking super good. Now let's export it. You can export it in this 1080p 60fps format or 30fps format. Now let's see how to use this one. Go to your video project where you want to use this and click on the layer and media. Now choose the exported green screen effect. Then scroll down and choose chroma key and enable this. Now you will see just your subscribe lower third. Now you can use in animations like slide up, pop, fade, anything like that, and also out animations. Secondly, let's make the moving cinema bar effect. For this, you need to select your video clip where you want to apply this effect, and then choose layer, media and background and set the background color to black. Now simply resize it until it covers the whole video. Now place the black bar like this and then just move forward in the timeline and then click on the key icon and then mark a keyframe and then go to the start of the clip and then lower the black bar. Now repeat the same step for the upper one also. Just gently resize it and make it appear on the top like this. And now click on the key icon and then mark a keyframe. Now go to the beginning of the video and then move the black bar out of the video. So now preview it. If you got confused in this tutorial, then just download this video and change the playback speed to 0.25x in the YouTube settings. Or else comment down your problem. I am there to help you out. That's it for the video guys. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you guys in my next one.